Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two popular credit cards from Capital One, the Venture X and the Quicksilver. Now these two cards cater to very different types of cardholders. Who and who is it meant for? By the end of this video, you know exactly which one suits your lifestyle better in 2025. Let's get started. Capital One Venture X is Capital One's premium travel credit card. It entered the market with a splash, offering high-end benefits that rival competitors like Chase Sapphire Reserve and Amex Platinum, but at a significantly lower annual fee. This card is perfect for people who travel frequently and want access to lounges, generous reward miles, luxury hotel perks, and travel credits, all wrapped in one powerful package. On the other hand, we have the Capital One Quicksilver, a classic no annual fee cashback card. It's one of the most well-known and easy-to-use cards out there. It offers a flat rate cashback on everything you buy, and it's especially great for those who want one card to use for everything without worrying about points optimization or premium travel perks. So whether you're chasing global adventures or you just want to earn back a little on your groceries and coffee runs, one of these might be a perfect fit. Let's break down the details so you can decide which one works best for you. Let's start with the Capital One Venture X card. It comes with a welcome bonus of 75,000 miles when you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. And for the rewards, you also earn 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars that are booked through Capital One Travel. You earn 5 times miles on flights and vacation rentals that are booked through Capital One Travel. And you earn 2 times miles on all other purchases every day. There's also an annual travel credit of $300 that you receive for bookings through Capital One Travel. And there's an anniversary bonus of 10,000 miles. It is equal to $100 towards travel, and you get this every year starting on your first anniversary. You also get a global entry or TSA pre-check credit of $120, a variable APR of 19.99 to 29.24, and airport lounge access. You enjoy access to Capital One Lounge and landing locations. There's a global lounge access through the Priority Pass, which gives you access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide from Priority Pass. How about Capital One Quicksilver? You get a welcome bonus of $200 as a one-time cash bonus once you spend $500 within 3 months from account opening. You earn 1.5% unlimited cash back on every purchase every day, and the rewards don't expire for the life of the account. There's also a low introductory APR offer at 0% for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Then thereafter it becomes 19.24 to 29.24%. There is no annual fee. It makes it a great card for cost-conscious users who still want meaningful rewards. There's extended warranty and purchase protection, and there is ease of use. Also, there are no foreign transaction fees when you make purchases outside of the United States. Now let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, the Capital One Venture X card comes with an annual fee of $395. And the Quicksilver card also comes with no annual fee. It is free. Both cards do not charge foreign transaction fees, which make them very good. And for the Capital One Quicksilver, there's an introductory APR of 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. Venture X does not have introductory APR. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? We start with the pros. For Venture X, high value welcome bonus and anniversary miles. $300 annual travel credits can help you offset the annual fee. Lounge access is a major premium perk, and the 10,000 bonus miles every card anniversary is useful. There are no foreign transaction fees, as I earlier mentioned. And the pros of the Quicksilver? There is no annual fee. That makes it beginner friendly. The easy to earn $200 welcome bonus is a great one, and you get 1.5% cashback flat on everything. The introductory APR of 0% for 15 months is a very great one. What are the cons? For Venture X, the annual fee is high compared to Quicksilver that does not have any fees. If you don't travel frequently, it might not be worth it. And there is no introductory APR of 0% compared to the Quicksilver. And the cons of using Quicksilver? The 1.5% cashback is solid, but it is not the highest in the market. you can get cashback rewards of 10%. And cashback rewards don't stretch as far as travel points might for frequent flyers. So the big question is this, once again, which card is the better choice in 2025? It depends on how you spend and what you value. VentureX is better for travelers, while Quicksilver is better for simplicity and saving. They are two different cards, two different lifestyles, but both are great, just in their own lanes. And that's it on the review and comparison of Capital One VentureX and the Capital One Quicksilver card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Freedom Unlimited, City Double Cash, and Capital One Saver One. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.